Today, we're heading to 6975 Orchard Path Drive, a beautiful new construction home located in one of the most peaceful and charming neighborhoods of Clemmons, North Carolina. This community offers the perfect balance: serene surroundings, a family-friendly atmosphere, and convenient access to schools, parks, shopping, and dining. It's the kind of place where you can truly feel at home. From the moment you arrive, this property welcomes you with classic curb appeal, a combination of brick and vinyl siding, a well-maintained front yard, and a wide entryway that leads to a 2-car garage. Situated on a generous lot in the sought-after Peppertree community, this home was thoughtfully built for both comfort and connection. Inside, you'll find an inviting atmosphere filled with natural light, open spaces, and tasteful finishes throughout. The main living room features a cozy gas fireplace and warm hardwood floors that create a sense of elegance and comfort. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening in, this space offers the perfect setting. The kitchen is truly the heart of the home, blending style and functionality. It includes a gas range, solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a peninsula that's perfect for quick breakfasts or casual conversation. The home also includes a 2-car garage with direct access to the interior, perfect for protecting your vehicles and offering extra storage space. The open concept layout keeps everything connected, while the formal dining room offers an elegant space for family meals, celebrations, or an intimate dinner for two. On the main level, the primary bedroom serves as a true retreat. Large windows fill the room with light, and the layout is spacious enough for a reading nook or sitting area. The ensuite bathroom features a tiled walk-in shower, double vanity, stylish lighting, and a generous walk-in closet with plenty of space to stay organized. Upstairs, there's even more to enjoy. A bright, open loft provides a flexible space that can function as a second living area, home office, or media room. You'll also find 3 additional bedrooms, all filled with natural light and equipped with spacious closets. One of them features a private full bath, ideal for guests or an older child, while the other 2 share a modern and functional bathroom. There's also an extra room that can be used as a playroom, home gym, or creative studio. Out back, the covered porch expands your living space outdoors, perfect for spending time outside, enjoying a quiet conversation, or simply taking a peaceful break at home. Additional features include a main-level laundry room, natural gas heating, a tankless water heater, and energy-efficient systems throughout. Everything designed to bring ease and comfort to your everyday life. Every corner of this home has been thoughtfully planned to support a lifestyle that's warm, comfortable, and functional. If you're looking for a home with space to grow, gather, and unwind, this one has it all. Schedule your private tour today. You won't want to leave.